Sewing tip 1. Snap some pictures to existing thread. Just to be sure you'll be able to rethread when you need to, and you'll need it soon, promise. Sewing tip 2. Leave the sewing thread guide up. This is an important tip. When you start sewing, the thread guide right above the needle has to be in its highest position. If you do not raise the needle, the moment you turn the sewing hand wheel, the needle will unthread. Every single time you stop sewing, check if the hand wheel is up. Sewing tip 3. Start by turning the hand sewing hand wheel by hand 1-2 stitches anti-clockwise. This allows you to check that the needle is getting smoothly in the fabric. This helps to avoid thread jams. Sewing tip 4. Keep the needle down when turning a corner. We call that pivoting in the sewing world. Pivoting is done on curved seams or removing the pin, leaving the needle down and pivoting in the fabric will help you to achieve a perfect aligned seam. Sewing tip 5. If you do not get the threading right the first time, rethread. That means rethreading everything, spool and bobbin. Be patient. Join the Facebook group Sew Right Fashions, Inspirations and Sewing Tips. Thank you for watching.